Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm working on these short videos for PowerPoint, teaching everybody how to use PowerPoint properly. And if you've been following along, then you know we've covered most of these and we're moving into the review section. So if you haven't been following along, you might want to check some of those out. So, what is review? Review has a number of important things in it. First, there's the spell check and the grammar check. You hit that, it'll go through every slide and make sure it lets you know if you've misspelled any words. Sometimes businesses and different things, the names show up, they think it's misspelled, but just like with Microsoft Word, sometimes you may not realize that you've spelled something incorrectly. So anyway, that's really good. It's always a good idea to check and double check and triple check the spelling on your presentations, because the last thing you want to do is get up in front of a bunch of people, and especially if it's like at a business, your bosses and stuff, and look foolish because you got misspelled words. So anyway, I'm going to skip a couple of these, translate and language and stuff like that, and I wanted to talk about comments. Let's say your friend is making this presentation and he sends it to you. You look it over and you say, everything looks good except for March and September. Is that correct? So you can add a comment on here. You click on it, and then you click on comment, and now it's putting a comment tag here so they'll see it. And then I can come in over here and I can say, are these the correct dates, or should it be February through August? Whatever I want to type. And now I move on. And maybe I find some other stuff, maybe I don't. When I send it back to my friend or coworker, he's going to click through them and he's going to see that, he put a comment on here. And you can tell it to start at the top. You can tell it to show the next comment, tell it to show all the comments, whatever. So I tell it to show the next comment, and it says, are these the correct dates? Should be February through August. And he double checks and he says, no, it's right, it's March through whatever. He either has the option to reply to my comment and send it back to me again for review, or he could just remove that comment completely because it's correct. I only wanted him to double check. I don't need feedback on it, as long as he knows. So he would just delete it and move on. And if there's other comments, he could check those out. So anyway, just some of the really neat review tools that you can play around with. And anyway, that's about it. So I hope to see you guys in the next segment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.